Did you know weak legs are a warning sign? Here's how to reverse the decline. Weak legs are often one of the first signs your body gives you when it's starting to break down. It's not just about struggling to climb stairs or feeling unsteady on your feet. It's a warning that your independence, mobility, and even your longevity are at risk. But here's the good news. This doesn't have to be your reality. With the right foods, exercises, and simple habits, you can not only stop this decline, but reverse it. Stay with me because what you're about to learn could change how you age forever. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. Aging can feel like a slow betrayal. One day you're running marathons, the next you're struggling to get off the couch. But losing strength, balance, and mobility doesn't have to be inevitable. There are simple, science-backed ways to keep your legs strong, your balance sharp, and your body feeling young, no matter your age. In this video, we'll explore why leg muscles weaken over time, the best nutrient-rich foods to fuel your strength, the exact exercises to improve balance and stability. By the end, you'll have everything you need to not just slow aging but thrive through it. Let's dive in. The role of human growth hormone in aging. Human growth hormone, or HGH, plays a critical role in maintaining muscle mass, circulation, and even skin health. It increases blood flow to the skin, which can slow down the visible signs of aging. It's no wonder celebrities invest heavily in HGH treatments. Their careers depend on looking youthful. But you don't need expensive treatments to reap the benefits. Regular exercise, particularly strength training, naturally boosts HGH production. When people ask me how often I exercise, I say, daily. Why? Because I want that natural boost of human growth hormone. And when they ask about my skincare routine, I tell them it's not about expensive moisturizers, it's about nourishing my body with high-quality foods like nuts, seeds, avocados, and cold-pressed olive oils, combined with daily exercise. Why do leg muscles weaken with age? Let's start with a critical question. Why do our legs get weaker as we age? It's not just about getting older, it's about what's happening inside your body. After the age of 30, we begin losing muscle mass at a rate of 3 to 5% per decade. This process, called sarcopenia, accelerates after 60. But it's not just muscle loss. Your bones become less dense, your joints lose cushioning, and your nerves don't communicate with your muscles as efficiently. The result? Weakness, instability, and a higher risk of falls, which are the leading cause of injury-related deaths in older adults. The good news? You can fight back. It starts with understanding 3 key areas: nutrition, exercise, and lifestyle habits. Let's break it down. The importance of strong legs for longevity and health. Think of your legs as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the entire structure is at risk. Your legs are the foundation of your body. They carry you through life, literally, but their importance goes far beyond walking or standing. Strong legs are directly linked to a longer, healthier life. Here's why. 1. Support for your body. Your legs house some of the largest muscles in your body, your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. These muscles support your entire body, reducing pressure on your joints and helping maintain proper posture. 2. Cardiovascular health. Your leg muscles act as a second heart, pumping blood back to your torso with every step. This improves circulation and reduces the risk of heart disease. 3. Balance and fall prevention. Strong legs are your first line of defense against falls, a leading cause of injury in older adults. 4. Cognitive health studies show that leg strength is closely linked to brain health. Strong legs stimulate the production of new neurons, keeping your brain sharp. Nutrition, the foundation of leg strength. What you eat plays a massive role in maintaining muscle strength and mobility. Here's what you need to focus on. 1. Protein. Aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Great sources include lean meats, fish, eggs, beans, and dairy. 2. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds, omega-3s reduce inflammation and protect your joints. 3. Vitamin D and calcium. These are essential for bone health. Get vitamin D from sunlight or supplements and calcium from dairy, leafy greens, and almonds. 4. Antioxidants. Foods like berries, spinach, and nuts fight oxidative stress, a major contributor to muscle aging. And 5. Hydration. Your muscles are 75% water. Aim for at least 8 cups of water daily to prevent weakness and fatigue. Exercises to strengthen legs and improve balance. Nutrition is only half the battle. To keep your legs strong and your balance sharp, you need to move. Here are some key exercises. 1. Strength training. Focus on squats, lunges, and leg presses to rebuild muscle mass and improve bone density. 2. Balance exercises. Try standing on one leg for 30 seconds or practice yoga and Tai Chi to improve stability. 3. Rebounding. Jumping on a mini trampoline is a low-impact way to strengthen leg muscles, improve balance, and boost lymphatic drainage. And 4. Walking. Aim for 30 minutes of brisk walking most days of the week. Add intervals of jogging to build endurance. The power of calf exercises and rebounding. Your calf muscles are often overlooked but are critical for mobility and balance. Here's how to strengthen them. Calf raises. Stand on your toes, hold, and lower back down. For added challenge, try one-legged raises. Jump rope improves coordination and calf strength. Stair climbing targets calves and glutes while boosting cardiovascular fitness. Rebounding or jumping on a mini trampoline is another powerful tool. It strengthens leg muscles, improves balance, and stimulates lymphatic drainage, all while being gentle on your joints. Conclusion. Take control of your aging journey. Aging doesn't have to mean losing your strength, balance, or independence. By focusing on nutrient-rich foods, strength training, and balance exercises, you can rebuild muscle, improve stability, and boost your overall health. Consistency is key. By staying active and nourishing your body, you can thrive at any age. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest, strongest life. Drop your questions or suggestions for future topics in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, your legs are worth taking care of. See you next time, and as always, stay informed and stay healthy.